Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, I want to show you 4 ways to identify the highest entry in a list of numbers. So I've got here a bunch of them that have been sort of randomly assigned, and I've just put a little heading at the top. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to use the status bar option. So I highlight my numbers. Okay. And if I go down here, I can see, oh yeah, there's my average, there's the count, and there's the sum. Right. But I actually want to show the max as well. So if I come down here and click on the status bar options here, or just do a right click on the blank one. If you look up here, I can just go to this one, I can get the maximum. So what I'm going to do is just do a right click down here in these blank ones and then just tick the box for maximum. Right. And now when I select my numbers here and I go down here, you see it shows me the highest number or highest value in the list is 430, which I'm just going to write up here. The second way I'm going to use is to use the max function. Okay, and I'm going to do this by going to home. And then I'm going to go over here to my auto sum option, which is over here. There we go. Click beside it, and then I can choose max from the list. All right, and you can see it automatically just enters the formula for me, and all I have to do then is put in enter. Okay. Another way for me to do it is to do it by conditional formatting. So there it gives me 430 again. And conditional formatting just means I will select this, highlight it here. I will then go to home, conditional formatting, and I'll go to highlight, go to this one here, top bottom rules. I'll pick out the top 10 items. Now, don't be distracted by the fact that it says 10. I just change this to a 1 because I don't want the top 10. And then I click OK. And these are the default color, but I could choose a different color here. And click OK. See there, I get 430 again. And the last one, which might be the one that's maybe the easiest one, is just to do a simple sort. So I've clicked in the numbers. Now notice the numbers all have to be together. This doesn't work really if the numbers kind of have gaps between them or you kind of have blank rows between them. It really doesn't work very well with that one. So I click here. I then come up here to data. And then I can go to this one here. See there, it says this one here. When I rest the mouse on it, it says sort largest to smallest. So I want the highest one at the top. There we go, 430 is at the top. So I hope that's been useful. That's just 4 ways to identify the highest value in a list. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.